Today I'll be showing you how to use this picture so you can make this. First I'll be importing this image into Adobe Illustrator, which is where I'll be making an SVG file. I'm going to start with the image trace tool so I can convert the JPEG into something I can work with, and from there I'm going to expand and ungroup the image so I can get rid of the background. I'm also going to compound it so that we only have the black part left for the engraving. Now I'll make a hexagon and orient it how I want the coaster relative to the image, then I'll make it 3 inches across, which is what I found to be a good size, but you can modify that. Now you have to remember to give this no fill and a red stroke, which will be important later when we laser cut it. Next you'll want to scale down the image to a size you like and then center it on the coaster. I'm going to go ahead and do the other two real quick. I'll be linking the images in the description. The artist has a ton of great work you should check out. I'll also be linking a free alternative to Adobe Illustrator called Inkscape. When you have your design done, you'll want to select your artwork, then right click and export selection. From here you can save as an SVG. Now I'll upload the SVG to the Glowforge software so we can cut it out. Next we can go ahead and select the material, and I'll just go in and make sure that the image is being engraved and the outline is being cut out. Once the machine connects, it'll go ahead and focus and home the print head. We can then put the acrylic that we're using in so that we can scan it for us to see on the screen. We can now move the image to where we want it on the material. I usually try and place it close to the edge or other areas I've already cut out in order to save material wasted. Then I'll have to select the material again since it cleared once the machine had connected. When we're ready, we can go ahead and hit print and wait for the software to communicate with the machine. It'll go ahead and focus on the material right where we place the artwork in the software. Now when the button starts to pulse blue, we can go ahead and push it to start the print. I'll put some labels on the screen so you can see what the different parts of a laser cutter are, along with what they do. My camera battery actually ended up dying, so I could only record the first 2 cuts, but at the end you can see pictures of all 3 and how they came out. Overall, these came out great and I can't wait to use them. Thanks for watching.